Hobbyplus really have outdone themselves with this one. We've got 8-wheel steering, 8-wheel drive, a fantastic scale hardbody, a full metal drivetrain, a 2-speed gearbox, a functional rear winch, portal axles, oil-filled shocks, loads of LED lights. I mean, the amount of features this thing has is just ridiculous. And in my opinion, this is the best mini crawler we have had this year, hands down. This is the CR18P Terranaut, and this thing is awesome. Now, all of that functionality is controlled on this fantastic Flysky 6-channel radio. So channel 3 controls your LED lights, channel 4 controls your winch, channel 5 controls your rear wheel steering, and channel 6 controls your 2-speed gearbox. So you can actually control your steering independently. So channel 5 controls the rear 2 axles, and then channel 1 controls the front 2 axles. You can also reverse the rear steering by popping the 6th dip switch just down, and then when you do your rear steering, it'll just go in the opposite direction. So to control that steering, you actually have a 1.5 kilogram steering servo on each axle. The level of steering on this thing is just phenomenal. You know, you can crab crawl if you want to. You could just steer with the rear, steer with the front. It is just so nice. You can cycle through all your LED options with channel 3. So we've got like headlights, we've got indicators, we've got our beacons on the top and our bumper lights, and you can also have hazard lights on. You also have lights on the rear as well as reverse lights. You also have LED lights on the dashboard that light up some of the gauges. You've got fantastic slow speed control from the all-in-one electronics. And if you chuck it into second gear, you've also got plenty of wheel speed. With your winch control on channel 4, it's just a single press. You start feeding the winch out. You press it again to stop the winch, and you press it again to feed the winch back in. You can see you've actually got a gooseneck and an active 5th wheel, so if you did want to tow a trailer, you could do that as well. In terms of the chassis, you've got a machined aluminium chassis. You've got 4 links on each axle. Like I said, you've got portal axles, you've got metal gears throughout, so that's the gearbox, the axles, and the portal axles. You've actually got a 280 size brushed motor, and your steering is actually servo on axle on each axle. Your body is hinged with a new design where you just basically pull a little clip towards you and then the body just swings down. Your waterproof electronics are tucked under here, as is your power switch, and you also get included an 1100 milliamp hour 2S Lipo battery. In the box you also get a 2 amp USB charger, a wheel wrench tool, your instruction manual, and you also get some optional anti-roll bars that you can install on the rear if you want to stiffen up that body roll on the rear. You've got fantastic details in the body like fold-out mirrors, you've got windscreen wipers on the front, you've got lots of nice details on the body. They have actually done a fantastic job with the look on this body, in my opinion. The wheels and tyres are actually plastic 1.2 inch beadlock wheels. Then they've got their 60mm tyres. These are the same wheels and tyres that came on the Arctos. Like I said, you've also got oil-filled shocks, and the shocks are actually aluminium adjustable oil-filled shocks. The out-of-the-box performance on this thing absolutely blew me away. It ran lines on my rock crawler course that nothing else has been able to do. It is an absolute beast on the trails. You know, if you are looking for something that is completely different to everything everybody else has to offer, has more features than any other mini crawler on the market, then this is the rig for you. If you're interested in getting one, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get one from Hobbyplus's website, including a 10% discount code you can use. If you want to see a more detailed review, then check out the full review on my main channel. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. I hope you found this short review helpful if you are considering getting a Terranaut. Drop me a comment if you've got any questions. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.